Okay, we're at a spot, a waterfall it looks like, and it's pretty well maintained. I mean, there's steps, so yeah.
Purposefully putting rocks there.
No? Pretty good. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, dude, people swimming there.
Yeah, this is a swimming hole. Oh, wow. I'll jump in if you jump in. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, my morning pee. Definitely a touristy spot. There's people, I mean, here. If it was, you know, hot out, not fall, we would be jumping in that without a doubt. Definitely worth a check. Stop in, check this spot out. It's cool. What was it, Aaron? The place?
Falling waterfalls.
So Falling Waterfalls, definitely a stop, check out. I mean, it's pretty much anyone can come here. There's steps even to walk down. Not a big deal, but you could swim here. Hey, I'm trying to film.
She finally said
Quite on set, I know. So you don't have pavement parts. This is the time to make up some time, but just be careful. There's other people, there's still horses, so just take your time. But that would be the spot that you could go a little bit faster. We actually came out right there. You gotta go down this.
Did not even see that. Like, I was just looking around for like anything that was a road.
Oh, there we go, focus. All right, now we're actually into the woods here. There we go, this is what we're used to. All right, well, I guess that pavement part's just real short, like real short.
Digging this grave, trying to get myself up out this cage. I've been far too gone for man been saved. Daddy told me that I done lost my way. I sleep at night, you know I toss and turn. This life I've been living just to learn. There's no dollar sign that you did.
We're on the side of the trail in this field eating Rody's famous nanner peanut butter and now bacon sandwich.
Don't credit me for the bacon.
No, we'll give it to...
There.
Yeah, we'll give that to Aaron.
He stole mine.
And Dory's excited. Nom 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 nom.
Dory wants some peanut butter.
ready.
Stop and had lunch in the field. Nice little spot. We just pulled down to the bottom of the corner, got our chairs out, had some sandwiches. We are still very far behind because we are on day 1 track and it's day 2. So, and maybe I'm sad on score, but
Leads to another brother, you'll get burned. They'll dig it out where you left this son. Now smooth talking love's got a loaded gun. She'll fire from the hip, but you'll never see that name on the bullet marked R.I.P. Turn up and run, you're back to the wind. Find a couple dollars cash in the will to spend. These final days won't give you rest. Have a comfort, got a moment, get it off your chest. Watch out for that time on Sundance. Oh, you're out on your own now, but son, did you think you'd have a chance? There's no dollar sign on the peace of mind that you hold. through those pines. Don't leave no trace with the lines so fine. You better pick up pace, you're gonna run this race before the sun goes down and you lost your way. Stand up straight and lay the hammer down, put the pedal to the metal.
So what I'm about to show you is two different options. Always double check your stuff. Now, Aaron took the bypass, which is technically looks like the main trail now. That's the same one that I took. Tyler decided to take the deeper end, and it is deep. Now it's rocky, so he's on 5.5 inches of lift with 35s and lockers, and he put them to the test there. So pick your lines. The trail can be as hard as you want it, or it can be as easy as you want it.
Better run, 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 run. Can't take another bullet, gotta hide back from the gun, yeah. You better run, 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 run,